Welcome back. This is the train channel. We have an OC&T Alco 85 light power train. Let's check it out. Heading into Oil City in two parts. This is gonna be in two parts, by the way.
I don't know if it's a freight or light power. If there's freight,
You can see some snow on the ground on this too, so.
If it's light powered, they're done for the day. Let's check it out.
Couldn't find that freight train for that other Oil City, but I got at least the CN, got at least the freight train with the CN power.
Light power. Yeah, we got an OC&T light power train right here. Let's check it out.
We don't know if this is the Oil City train or this is a dime, but I think this is the OC&T light power train heading to Oil City in two parts.
I see Tom got out.
There you go. I can't see. Why'd you, there we go. This is the Alco 85 unit is what it is. Symbol on this train you see is the OC&T Alco 85. That train originates to Titusville, Pennsylvania's freight yard, heads north to Rounceville, Pennsylvania, with one service industry in Rounceville, Pennsylvania when the railroad changes to Western New York where it terminates. Changes to the Western New York tracks in Rounceville, Pennsylvania where it terminates. All on this Friday, July 7th, 2023 from Jeffrey the Train Experts on YouTube. Alright, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the same light power train passing Drakewell because I couldn't get that Perry Street in time on this. So let's get off. We'll get back on with the next light power train. Talk to you later.